Hey guys, hey, how's it going? So it's been a lazy Sunday because this is being shot on a Sunday, and I just came back from the holy land, no, not the holy land, but the church, and I went with a nice outfit today, kind of like browns and some brown jacket, some grays, and then a little shades. Yeah, let me get them. Mm, mm, mm. How's that? You like it? Actually, okay, one little thing to note. These glasses are actually girls' glasses. Got it Forever 21, but hey, they look great, so it doesn't really matter. They're not that big on me, which is good. But anyways, that was just, I don't know why I went there. I like my outfit, that's why I kind of put it together. Oh, it just hit the lens cap, the glasses. I hope it's not scratched. I like the outfit I put together. It was nice. It was kind of like made it together, and it looks pretty good, But anyways, I wanted to also talk about just it's lazy Sunday. The weather's kind of been like really rainy over here for the past week, and it was like, huh, so that's a lot of rain. But it is coming to like March, even though this is the LA area, we still get rain sometimes, and it's been good to have a little change. It's been really cold. I wanted to get cold enough where it can snow. We're close, but we're not quite there. And that'd be cool if it snowed. I would obviously take you guys outside to see that. That would be so rare to see snow. Also, this is gonna be a quick little video. I just wanted to ask you guys, like, what are some of the things that you've been wanting to learn, or things that you've been trying to learn for a while, or just haven't had the time to do it? For me, it's been music. I've been wanting to create in a new way. So music and making music is a way I haven't really dived into too much, and I've been actually learning it recently. Been getting into some music theory and stuff, so then I will be able to play a MIDI keyboard and then put the notes in the computer, and then I'll be able to make music that way. So I'm currently at the beginning of that journey, and sometimes journeys could take a while, but it's a journey and it's worth taking that path to learn something new. So let's see how long this will take me just to get proficient at it. So yeah, what are some things you guys want to learn? I want to also use music, make music to help better sculpt videos of mine, because I feel like I want to have music that's not all like rise. I want to have like some rise and then going, and then it'll drop down for a bit, and then it'll go up even more and more. So it's like slower starts, and then it becomes inspirational over time, and it's like all a low part, because we can't have all high in the music, or it can't be kind of flat all the way through, because then like nothing really happens. It's good for like the varied music, for travel videos, for things that have different types of emotion. You don't want to always have the same emotion. That's one reason why I want to make it. But if it's a background video like this, may have something that is kind of like low in the background, not too strong. I probably don't want to have vocals. Even if I did vocals, it could work. You just have to do some tweaking with the sound. What's it called? Sound design. Yeah. But yeah, tell me, what are some things you guys would want to learn? I'm always trying to learn different things, try to make it better for the videos and other things, just because I like learning different things and then trying to practice them. So that's just what's been going on. So even though it's a lazy Sunday, I did get some things done. I've been working on a video. I'll probably show you some of it. It was a lot of green screen, and it came out fine, and I'm still working at this time, but it's a good practice. So always remember, to guys, to go out there and practice things, and to learn different things, and then to like start doing them, because you could keep learning things, but if you don't actually go and do them, well, like, kind of what's the point if you don't use it? So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are, that are watching this type of video here on this channel. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Honestly, probably go to sleep early. Probably not. Probably go to sleep at 3. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See ya. Bye.